Hey guys, it's your girl, Cayce Hanalei here with another makeup tutorial, and in this one I decided to do a quick and easy in the sun look. So what do I use when I go out in the Vegas sun for hours and hours and hours, and what is going to stay, right? That is what we want to know. So if you want to learn how to do something like this, something super natural and pretty, but will also stay when you're hot and sweaty in the sun, stick around because we're going to be doing it right now. Hi guys, it's been a minute. It's been like a month. It's been crazy around here and it's taken me a while to get some time to sit down. And I have been out a few times, but I just never have time to actually set up my camera and talk to you guys and talk you through what I'm doing. So a few changes. I ended up giving in and plucking my eyebrows again. And your girl loves a thin eyebrow, so that's happening. And then I did give in and I bleached a little bit on my mustachio. I know, poor mustache. And at the same time, I was really curious about bleaching a little bit of my eyebrows. So I bleached the wings just to make it a little easier. So if I did want to, you know, conceal them out, I could and make my eyebrow a little higher. Oh, we're just testing stuff out. Anyways, I went out with my friend Liz, who does my nails. Hi, Liz. And she invited me to her husband's birthday party, which was at the MGM, Lazy River. And it was just so much fun. And I had this idea for a makeup video for you guys, which was outdoor looks that are going to last. So I thought that would be really good, especially in time for summer. So this is kind of the look that I did. I'm not going to do the eyeshadow because I want to do this look, if you get wet and stuff, it's not going to run all over your face, right? So it's kind of the idea behind it. If you get sweaty, if you're in the pool, it's going to stay put. So yeah. And it's skin friendly, hopefully protect you from the sun as well. So we normally start with eyes, but we're not going to do too much with the eyes today. So we are actually going to start with the skin. And I like to do several layers of SPF because I'm nuts and the skin isn't the way that it is at the ripe old age of 35 because I don't like SPF. So we love skincare around here. So the first thing I'm going to do is put this Whoa Glow Sun Touchable e.l.f. 30 SPF sunscreen on. This actually gives me a really nice little bronze moment here. And I think I'm actually going to mix some of this in with it. So this is the Isle of Paradise bronzer. I got this with my birthday gift. So I'm just going to add a little bit of that in there. I don't know if you can see it. I don't think this has SPF in it either. It's just a skin protector. But this Whoa Glow should really help me out. And yes, I do put it on my eyelids because I don't want those puppies to burn. So when I go out in the sun, especially the Vegas sun, look how glowy my skin is. Oh, I love that. Outdoor looks are one of my favorite things to do because it's a lot more simpler than just the normal going out. And then I'm going to do Laura Mercier, my tinted moisturizer. This is also 30 SPF. So this will give me a nice little tint. And then I'm going to go, bye. It's just wrong. Gives me a nice little coverage. So yeah, in the Vegas sun, I usually layer on the 30 and then I do a little topper of 50 because, like I said, I'm insane about the sun. And then I always wear a hat, wear sunglasses. Make sure you're not in the sun directly the whole time. I'm actually going to go wash my... No, I'm going to do concealer next and then I will go wash my hands. So this is my e.l.f. Super Hydrating Concealer. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I use this stuff all the time. So this just gives me a little extra coverage. But I'm going to be in the sun, right? So, not actually today, but this is, if I'm going to do this, I'm going to be in the sun, right? And I'm not too worried about covering all those dark spots, you know, like all the red spots. I'm pretty sheer coverage when I'm out in the sun, because I want to be nice to my skin. I want to make sure that it's having a good time too. You see, I'm breaking out a little bit under here, and I think that's the bleach. Oops. It's my first time, so. All right, now I'm gonna wash my hands. And this is a really quick look by design, just because when you're on vacation, you're normally on the go anyways, so, you know, it's gonna take you less than 20 minutes to put your face on. Okay, so now I wanna kind of set this with some powder. I'm not gonna put too much more bronzer on my face just because I don't really need it, but I got my Too Faced here. I'm already pretty naturally pink, so I'm not gonna need a ton of blush either. So this is Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil. It smells good. This is very, very loved. And I just go over there on my cheekbone. And then I hit up, up, up. So I think what I want to do too is hit my, like I do with my everyday look, I'll hit my eyelid just to give it a little coverage, because what we're going to do is we're going to put some falsies on. So if my eyes get wet, like if I'm wearing mascara, it's going to run. No matter if I have waterproof on, it always runs. I don't know why. But I always wear falsies when I'm going out in the sun, and they always stick to my face and they don't move. Anyways, but the glue needs something to stick to. It can't just be your like natural nothing on it eyelid, because my eyelids are too oily for that. So I need a powder, I need something on it. We're gonna be putting some eyeliner on too. I know, right? Cayce an eyeliner? Shoot, man. Okay, I don't think, let's go for a little blush. Oh, you know what we could do? We haven't used this in a minute. This is like a highlighter blush, and it's like an orangey color. This would be pretty with that. So, oh, it's the bouncy one too. So soft. Pretty. That looks really nice. I like that color. It's a nice summer color. Ooh. What are you guys doing this summer? Freddie and I are actually going to take the kids back home. It's the first time since the kids were babies, they're 3 and 4 now, that we're going to be home. We're going to go home for 2 weeks. I know, I'm like a little pretty nervous about it, but it's okay. Okay, that's a pretty good set of color. And then I like to set it with a translucent, and I got this for my birthday as well. So this is nice. This is LIS. Is that how you say it? Or is it LIS? Triple Fix Translucent Setting Powder. And it's just like has a little bit of a yellow tint to it. Say under the eyes, my T-zone. Make sure that doesn't go anywhere. Okay, cool. Okay, and now I kind of want to do the eyebrows next. This is just my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. If you have trouble with your eyebrows, like running down your face, you might want to do like a waterproof pencil, but I never really have any issues. So I think I'm just going to use this. And then I obviously put a powder on top, so it sets really nice. But yeah, we went to, it was Sunday today. It's actually Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all the father figures out there. The party was on Friday afternoon, so took a half day. Went down to the pool. Oh my gosh, it was so much fun. They got a cabana, and we had like a little poolside cabana too, and like all the people were going by because it's the lazy river. I haven't been to that lazy river since I was a kid. went with my parents when I was like 10. I haven't been back to that pool since, and it's not my first time in like. This is just my e.l.f. brow powder. And you're gonna be wearing sunglasses, so it's not like everyone's gonna be looking at your eyes, but if they do, you will have something on them. Okay, so now we're gonna just do the eyes really quick. We'll do the lip, and then we'll be done. Super easy, I know. Okay, so for the eye, you definitely need something waterproof. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. And what I normally do is I don't do a wing or anything. I just run it. I'm just gonna take a little fluffer. Smudge it out a little bit. Yeah, and you can wear this all freaking day and it does not budge, which is nice. Especially if you set it. And I'll show you what I use to set it. Okay, and then we're gonna do our eyelashes. I have these really pretty, I don't like to go too heavy when I'm outside. I have these really pretty little wispy ones. So we'll put these on, and this is All Day Quick Set Lash Glue. And this is the dark one, so it should blend in really nicely with that eyeliner. Yeah, these wispies are so pretty. So I usually don't do underneath during the day just because I feel like it's a little too heavy, and to like, if I wear that waterline for more than like 4 or 5 hours, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like I can always feel it. It always like hurts my eyes a little bit. It makes my eyes achy, which we don't want. Anyways, okay, so this looks very pretty already. Now we're gonna do the lip. We're gonna set it, and then we're done. So quick. So I got a new product for you guys to try. This is the Sephora Totally Juicy Lip Tint. So we're gonna put this on, we're gonna let it sit for a minute, and then we're gonna wipe it off, and then we're gonna put our SPF, because you need to protect your lips too. It's just this very like almost black cherry color. The stain is a lot darker than the actual stain. So when I do a stain, I usually bring the stain with me, just in case I need to reapply. Honestly, I was wearing this the other day, and when I came home, I still had some on, so this stuff lasts a long time. The one thing I don't like about this product is, I think it's because it's a tin. It kind of has like a weird smell. It's like strong, like almost like a sunscreeny smell. Like it smells like chemically a little bit. So, but I wouldn't leave it on like this, right? You let it sit for a minute. Let it sink in. I'm so upset it doesn't have color. So boring. You know what, it probably does, and I'm just not seeing it, and then people are gonna yell at me in the comments. Okay, and then after this is done, we wipe it off. I really love this stuff, but this stuff is pretty, I mean, like, for what it is, it's pretty expensive. This is the Supergoop Play Lip Balm with acai, and it's 30 SPF. But there's lots of really good chapsticks out there that are, you know, 30, 40, 50 SPF that are just as good, that will not cost you. This is like $20 or like $30. I don't know how much it is. I got it for a present, so I'm like using it sparingly. But yeah, there's lots of really good other options out there. I think I have like a free one from my dentist that gave me like 30 SPF too. So there are options. All right, so I think this is sat enough. I'm gonna take this cloth that I used earlier. Well, see, that color's really pretty. Almost has an orange tint to it. It's a nice color. Okay, and then I just put this over top. And then I just keep applying this all day. And then when I need more color, I take the tint with me too, reapply. Like I said, I was out from it was like 11:30 to 5, and I came home at like 5:30, still on my lips. And I was, you know, drinking and eating and, you know, in the pool and still there. Okay, so last but not least, we set it, and I found I have a few different versions of this. So this is the Milani one, Make It Last, and this, I have tested this one. I haven't tested this one yet, but I've tested this one, and it really, really sets your makeup really well. So highly recommend this one. Milani Make It Last Sunscreen, and it's a sunscreen setting spray. Genius. And it's SPF 30. And then I have this one too. This is the e.l.f. one. And it goes with this, the same set as this. And I'm pretty sure it's duping Super Goop, but neither confirm nor deny that. And this is Sun Touchable, and this is All Set for Sun 45 broad spectrum. So a little bit more sun protection and setting spray. So, but I like to use my stuff up before I even do it. So this one, it's pretty strong, like SPF smell, right? Like normal. I'm gonna cover my microphone. Oh no. I just used this the other day. Maybe it's done. Let's try this one instead. Okay. Sunscreen, yep. So it has alcohol in it. So if you plucked your eyebrows, if you have any like cuts on your face, it is gonna sting. So just FYI. But it does protect you from the sun. So there you go. All right, guys, this is it. This is the final product. Perfect for summer. Super simple. I love it. It looks really pretty. And it looks really natural too. Like it's not like over the top, which is Vegas, so everybody's over the top usually. Usually I'm over the top, but you know, this is pretty muted, so we're good to go. All right, guys. Well, that was pretty short. I hope that you enjoyed this, you know, super quick and easy sun in the sun tutorial of my makeup when I'm out in the sun, you know, in the Vegas sun, having a good old time. Let me know if you try this out. Let me know what products you like to use in the sun. If there's something that I didn't use or like a product that you think I should know about, please put it in the comments below. Make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel. It really helps me out. And I was thinking about doing another, it's been a minute since I've done the brush with death. Do you guys miss that stuff? Or do you want me to keep doing makeup and brush with death? Like, what do you guys want me to do? Just been thinking about it. Anyways, I always love hanging out with you guys. Thank you so much for joining me today and talking with me. It's always so much fun. And what do we say? Be kind to yourself, be kind to one another, and I will see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.